Hey everyone, this is a pretty quick video to show you how you can use AI and Python code and Colab to use Euler's method to find approximations to solutions of differential equations. So this is a screenshot of our textbook. I'm looking at problem number 22 here. It says use Euler's method with a step size of 0.2 to estimate y of 1, where y of x is the solution to the initial value problem when you're at the point 0, 1. So we're going to go from 0 out to 1, and we're going to do it in steps of 0.2. So that would be 5 equal steps. So what I did is I just went to both ChatGPT and Claude, and I described what I wanted, and I tried getting some Python code that worked, and then I ran it and got some errors and fixed it, and then ran it and decided to tweak it, and I ran it and I got it to work. And so you are certainly welcome to try that from the get-go. Just describe what you want using your knowledge of calculus and calculus terminology and Euler's method. I would love for you to try that, to go from scratch. However, I did then ask for what the best prompt might be, and I got something along the lines of this. Okay, so if you say write Python code for Euler's method, blah blah blah, and you can see what the prompt is here, it then later gave me the same sort of prompt in a student-friendly form in sentence. That's this one here. Those would go in. I then tried this prompt in Claude, and I got code that worked pretty much the first time. So a good prompt will yield good code. I copied and pasted that into Colab right here, and we can run this code, and you can see it's saying enter the differential equation. If I just go back quickly to my screenshot, remember our differential equation here is dy dx is just x times y minus x times x. So I'm going to go back to that, and this is quite fussy. X star y. You can't just write xy next to itself. You have to use the star symbol above 8 for multiplication, minus, and then x star x. There might be a squaring function, but that's a way that's really simple. It works. And then it says an initial x value. I believe we're starting at 0, and then we're at 0, 1, and we're going to go out to when x is 1. So my final x value is 1, and what's that step size? It's 0.2, okay? And then hopefully it's going to run and give us a nice graph, which, whoops, it's hiding in here. And whoop, it's here, there it is, okay? And I think that is correct, unless I have typed in a different equation from what the textbook suggested, but I think we're good. X times y minus x times x. I think we're good. But you can certainly try some of these other ones. Here's one that's similar, slightly different, and practice with Euler's method and Colab. Good luck.